How to plan and schedule a live event in Microsoft Teams. When you have a large community event online, a town hall or webinar, you can use Microsoft Teams live events, adds functionality and size. Thousands can join versus a few hundred for a Teams meeting. You create a live event the same way you schedule a regular Teams meeting in your Teams calendar. Select New Meeting, New Live Event. Add details to your event. You invite two sets of people to a live event, the presenters and producers who are working it and the attendees. Here's where we'll organize who's working the event. As an organizer, you have the most control, including setting permissions. Producers manage the event and present, while presenters just present. When you've set your group, select Next. Under Permissions, select the specific people and groups who can watch the live event. Specific people and groups, your entire org, or anyone with the link. Choose who should have access to any recording and if you want a Q&A session. If you're connecting to other AV equipment, your options are similar. Select Schedule when done. Once the live event is set, you'll get an attendee link. Send this link to anyone you want to attend via email, calendar invite, or a post on Teams. Thank you for watching us.